Welcome to Online Learning Box. Today we are going to discuss how to draw frequency polygon, histogram and ogive using Excel 2005. For this we consider following data set. Here 15 data points. These are the data points. So first we compute maximum value of these data points. For this we recall the function max. Select the entire data set. Then bracket close, enter. We get maximum value. Then for minimum, use the function min. First bracket open. Then select whole data set. Then bracket close, enter. So we get the minimum value, that is 19. Suppose we want to take number of classes equal to 8. So I write it here just 8. So with this, maximum minus minimum divided by number of classes. So the formula is round maximum value minus minimum value divided by 8. Suppose we round it this value up to 1 decimal place. So just we write it round, then in the function of round we write maximum minus minimum divided by 8, then comma 1 for first decimal place, comma enter. So I get with this 0.8. Now first we construct the column lower class boundary. For the first class we take the lower class boundary is minimum value, that is 19. Then for the next class the lower class boundary is 19 plus width, that is 0.8. Then drag it down, get all the values of lower class boundary. For upper class boundary, for the first class, lower class boundary plus width, then drag it down, we get all the values of upper class boundaries. Now we construct frequency. For frequency we need data analysis tool. So for this first we check whether it is installed or not. So the first step is go data, then see that there is no data analysis tool. So first we install the data analysis tool. The step is go to file, then go options, then go add-in options, then select analysis tool pack, then go, then select analysis tool pack, then click OK. Now we see that the data analysis appeared here. So now click on data analysis tool, then go histogram or select histogram, click OK. Then first dialog box is input range. For input range you select again the whole data, then bin range. For bin range we select upper class boundary column, then output range. Suppose we want to get the output here, so we select this cell and then click OK. Then we see that this is the frequency. Just we select this frequency. After that, and copy it. Use Ctrl C button. Press Ctrl and C simultaneously, and then paste it here. So, for drawing a frequency polygon, first we write plus boundary as leave the first cell, start from the second cell, that is 90 to 90.8, then write 90.8 to 20.6, then write 20.6 to 21.4, then 21.4 to 22.2, then 22.2 to 23, 23 to 23.8, 23.8 to 24.6, 24.6 to 25.4, then leave the last cell. Now we write frequency as follows. For the first cell it should be 0, and then for next cell it is 5, then 3, then 10, then 6, then 6, then 8, again 8, then 4, and for the last cell it should be 0. Now select this column, frequency column, and go insert option, choose insert line chart, select this line and then enter. Now we want to reduce the width of this line. For this, we click on the line, then right click on it, then go to format data series, then go fill and line, then reduce the width. For reducing the width, find width option and then click here, and you see that the width of the line reduces. For this we select 0.75 font and then change the color. For this we select black. So you see that now color of the line is black. Now we want to change the level of horizontal axis. For this, we right click on that level and go select data, then go edit option, and then select this spot, and this is Now you go quick layout, then select suitable layout. For this diagram, we select this layout. Then to change the axis title of horizontal axis, it should be class boundary. Then change the title of vertical axis, it should be frequency. Now delete this and give the chart title. It should be frequency polygon. So this is our frequency polygon. So the steps are as follows. First we write class boundary as follows, then write frequency as follows, then select frequency column, then go insert option, then go insert line chart, select this and enter, and then reduce the width. For reducing the width, first we select the line, then right click on it, go format data series, then go fill and line, then under width we reduce this, and you can also change the color. Now you select the level of horizontal axis, then right click on it, go select data, and then go edit option, and then select this class boundary and hit enter. All okay. Then go quick layout and select suitable layout, and give the horizontal title of horizontal axis and vertical axis. The title of vertical axis is frequency and title of horizontal axis is class boundary. Now for drawing the histogram, first we select these cells and then go insert option, then go insert column chart, then select one suitable diagram, or this is select this one, then go quick layout, and there are several layouts. We choose suitable one. For this, we choose this diagram, and now change the horizontal axis title. Here we use class boundary. So we with the horizontal axis that is class boundary. Then change the level of horizontal axis. For this, right click on the level and go select data, then go edit, then select axis level range, and then hit enter or OK. Then you see that the level of horizontal axis is changed. Now with the title of vertical axis, since we use frequency, so the vertical axis title is frequency. Give the chart title, it is histogram. Now remove the fill portion of this chart. For this, right click on it, go format data series, then go fill and line, then select no fill, and you see that the fill portion is removed. And then we want to give the borders of this, select solid line, then choose the color. So there are a lot of options. You select suitable one which you want. And then you can also change the width of this line. For this, if you want more width, then you increase this in that way. And if you want less width, then you increase in that, decrease this in that way. So for this, you select 1 point per width. Now our histogram is free. Now we want to draw Ogive. For Ogive, first you construct cumulative frequency less than time. So the cumulative frequency less than time for first cell is 5. Then for next cell is the frequency of first cell plus frequency of second cell. And for third it is the frequency of third cell and plus cumulative frequency of second cell. So just drag it down and you get the cumulative frequency less than time. Similarly, you construct cumulative frequency greater than time in that way. So for the first cell it should be total frequency, that is 50. For next cell it should be cumulative frequency greater than time for first cell minus frequency of the first cell, and then drag it down, then you get frequency of cumulative frequency greater than time for this cell. Now for draw Ogive, we write cumulative frequency in that way. So we need cumulative frequency less than time, then cumulative frequency greater than time, so here is this values from this column. So leave the first cell, and from next cell it should be 5, then 8, and then 18, then 24, then 30, then 38, 46, 50, and the last cell. Similarly, we fill the second column, that is cumulative frequency greater than type, in that way. Leave the first cell, this one, and start from the second cell. So it should be 50, then 45, then 42, then 32, then 26, then 20, then 12, then 4, and leave the last. So cumulative frequency for first cell should be 0. Put it 0, and for the last cell it should be 50. Just put it 50. Similarly, for greater than type it should be 0 for last cell, and for first cell for greater than type cumulative frequency it should be 50. Now select these two columns simultaneously, then go insert option, then select suitable line diagram, insert line chart, then select this one to get this chart. Now you change the layout, go quick layout option, and then to suitable layout. For this diagram, we select this layout. Since we use in x-axis or horizontal axis class boundary, so we give the axis title is class boundary for horizontal axis. For y-axis, it should be cumulative frequency. Now with the chart title, that should be Ogive. Now you want to reduce the width of this line. For this, first to select the line, then right click on it, go format data series, then go fill a line, then reduce the width. Now you can also change the color of the line. If you want black, so select black, or if you choose other color, then choose that color. So for this, we select black. Similarly, we also reduce the width of this second line. First to select this line, then see the width is 2.25 points, and you reduce this width into 0.75. For this, just reduce this one in that way. So now we pick this. Now we want to change this color. For this, you select any color from this. For this line, here we select red one. So now you see that this is red. Now we want to change the level of class boundary. For this, first to select the levels, then right click on it, go select data, and then go edit option, and then select class boundary from first cell to last cell. Then you see that this thing is happening. Now you also change this series 1. Series 1 means cumulative frequency less than type. For this, you select this series 1, then go edit, and then read the series name. This is cumulative frequency. This then type, then hit enter, and you see that this thing is changed. Now again you can change the title of series 2. That should be a cumulative frequency greater than type. For this you select series 2, then go edit option, then get the series name. That should be cumulative frequency greater than type. Then hit enter. See that this series 2 is changed. It is now cumulative frequency greater than type. Then okay. So now our Ogive is ready. You make it large in that way, and you see this Ogive. If you feel this arithmetic representation is helpful for you, then you like this video and stay with us. We will come soon with a new video. Thank you.